Good morning, children. I am Subharam Singh. Today we will study chemistry, class 7. So, dear children, now you open your book, chapter 1, Matter and its composition. So, here it is written that matter is divided in three groups, that is solids, liquids, gases. So dear children, so now we will discuss what do you mean matter, then what do you mean solids, liquids, gases. So now let us come. So dear children, matter, what does it mean matter? Matter is anything or any object that could be exist in space is known as matter. You see, this is a stone. So when I keep any place, so it occupies the place. It occupies the place. So this is an object. So when I am keeping this object, so in the space or this space I am keeping, so it is occupying. So this is one kind of matter. So we can say house, then trees, any object, any living object or non-living object, we can say that is matter. Then now come solid. What is solid? A solid is a state of matter that has some character, shape and volume. It is arranged by some particles. So, solid is a state of matter. Here we see stone. So this is some particles, some object. So it has shape. Then it has volume, how much it is taking place. Again, these particles are arranged and it is made a stone. This is solid. So this is so hard. So this is solid. Then now come liquid. Liquid is substance that flows freely, but it has some constant volume. Suppose, for example, water, oil. So here water is there. So this is liquid. So it flows. This water flows. So this is liquid. Then now come gases. A substance or matter is a state in which it will expand freely to fill the whole of a container, having no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Here you see balloons. So inside this there air is there. See, I am leaving the air. so it is coming out. So inside it has some gases. This air is called gases. So some gas is coming, so it came out now. So this is one kind of gases. So this gas has no shape. So this gas we can't find the shape. Then no fixed volume. So this gas we see here, air is coming, so it doesn't have any shape or doesn't have any volume. So now let us will study from book. So as we know, what is matter, solids, liquids, gases. So in book it is written that we see a variety of things, both living and non-living, that surround us. So we see living things and non-living things. Living things means those who having life. The non-living things means those who having no life. So we call them non-living, and living means those who having life. All of these are made up of matter. So these living things, they are made up of matter. We walk on the ground. So we walk on the ground. We breathe in air. So when we take air, we live. When we breathe, we live air, and we take air. And we eat food. We eat also food. All these have entirely different properties. So different, they have properties, they have object. However, they share similarities to which make them alike. Like they are like one type of things. Let us understand this with the help of an example. When we take a beaker half filled with water and drop an object into it, the level of water in the beaker increases. This shows that both water and the object occupy space. In fact, all things occupy space that make them similar to each other. See one example I am giving here. So instead of beaker, I have taken a glass. So glass I have taken. So inside the glass I am pouring the water. So I poured the water. So this water level is I marked here. This is the water level. So when I am keeping some object inside the water, so this water increases or it goes up. So now we can judge that. See here, water, it went up. So now we can judge that some object we put inside, then this object, it occupies the place. Okay, this object occupies the place. So this water, it went up. So this is the example. Now dear children, for you, homework is that what you have to do. So you have to give example. So solid, liquid and gases. You have to give 10 each example. So solid 10, object you have to give name. Then liquid you give five things. So liquid you give five name. Then gases 3 you give. So this is for you, your homework. So please write down in your chemistry note copy. Thank you for watching this video.